Hello everyone, it's Ron from High Tech Legion. Earphones are one of those things that have a wide range in terms of pricing. You can get at lowest for about $1 at a dollar store, all the way up to $2,000 or $5,000 for a fully customized earpiece. Of course, those are mostly aimed for professionals such as musicians and audio producers. But if you're just like me, you want something for the morning commute, something that can drown out all the noise of traffic, but of course something that won't break the bank, has a good build quality, well, that's probably asking too much. Well, not really, according to people from RHA, where they have delivered very good products previously that are, of course, very good value as well. And they now have the MA450i, an earpiece, earphone that has an inline remote control compatible with Apple products such as Apple iPod, Apple iPod Touch, Apple iPhone, and even the iPad. Well, I'm getting confused with all these i names. Well, anyway, the MA450i from RHA can be had for $49.95, and of course, it has that impeccable build quality that RHA is known for, and also the fact that it has made of aluminum compared to other headsets which are just made of plastic. So that's a very good deal considering it's lower priced. Well, anyway, let's check out and see how well this earphone performs compared to the competition. The RHA MA450i comes in a compact packaging, and it is also now available through Apple Store. Inside you'll find, of course, the unit itself and a set of earpieces. See here, just to show you that they are in a very portable carrying case. And there's sets of 6 here in total, with the addition of the ones that are already installed inside the unit, so that makes 7 total earpieces that you can use. If you notice, the look of this one has, let me just pick up the larger set here, it has 2 different kinds of silicone on each type. You have the firmer one inside, the colored orange, and the softer one outside that is for your ear. Of course, this is the primary component of the noise isolating part of the RHA MA450i. The firmer silicone ensures that the sound is not compromised, while the softer silicone on the outside ensures that the fit is ideal for any type of user. And it also is a different kind of tip here. It has a dual valve, so it's for more isolation. But it also has a firmer, single inner piece in there in the middle. It also has 2 external, softer external valves that prevent noise from getting into your ear. And let me just put this aside and take out the unit itself. Well, there is also another accessory pack here. It's the carrying pouch that has a sort of a velour body on it. It's black, so it should also fit your customized tips here, as well as the RHA MA450i headset itself. And usually this takes a little bit of work to remove, as with most earphones, but the good thing about it, if you notice already, is that there isn't any problems with tangling, since the RHA MA450i has these braided cables. It of course makes it much more durable and resistant to tangling. Even if you put it inside your pocket, for example, like so, you can just easily untwist it compared to the rubber coated cabling. And let's see, one more lock here in the middle, and we're finally completely free. There we go. And we have our MA450i unit here. Since it is compatible with iDevices, it comes now with an inline remote and an inline volume control. See the microphone here at the back for omnidirectional microphone with the RHA logo. And let me just free the rest of the cable here so you have a better look. As you can see, it has a gold-plated connector on the other end with the 4-conductor TRRS plug that is compatible with Apple iPad or iPhone and iPod touch devices. You have this enables the remote control functionality that you see here, and you see that there's also a groove in there, so that's convenient for handling the remote. Of course, it acts as a home key. Since it has a glossy surface, it can be slippery, so if there was no groove in there, it'll be a bit difficult to kind of position your hand in the middle button. But I like the fact that RHA has designed it so it has that prominent groove there, so essentially you can easily find where the volume up and volume down keys are, as well as the home button key. Well, the TRRS plug here enables remote control functionality with the middle button. Essentially, for media playback, you can pause and play with a single middle click. You can forward to the next song with 2 clicks, and also you can reverse to the previous song with 3 clicks in a row. And also holding it down will enable the voice command. And also the microphone here in the back, of course, and it's the appropriate length, which should sit right around your chin area when you're wearing it. Now, as for the drivers here, these are 10mm drivers. Let me just remove the cover here so you can get a closer look. You have the aluminum housing, very durable compared to the typical plastic housings found in other earphones, and this one also has a frequency range of 16 Hz to 22,000 Hz, and has an impedance of 16 ohms. And also the total cable length is 1.5 millimeters. I believe that is a little bit longer than the M350i, which I believe only had 1.2 meters. This is a little bit longer in total cable length. And also, if you're interested, the design here inside is using a unique design that RHA calls aerophonics, where the since there is little space in an earphone compared to a headphone, so you can only get so much air, plus it will be muffled since it is being pushed in a smaller area. So what they have done is sort of inspired by the design of a trumpet. Well, they reversed it. You have a big chamber inside that pushes into a smaller chamber, but that will result in a much clearer sound rather than the more muffled straight through sound coming in from a regular earphone. And of course, we'll test it out, and we'll see how well the RHA MA450i sounds. At first, I am going to be recording with the built-in microphone. I'm probably just going to use the built-in Apple voice memo recorder, and I'm going to do that right now. And also, when I come back, I am going to share you my conclusion and what I thought of the MA450i from RHA. Hello, this is just a microphone test using the built-in voice memo recorder on the phone, and using, of course, the RHA MA450i, just testing out the microphone recording capability. This is, of course, a microphone that is not using any external power, and it just is using the connection from the phone itself. And it is situated right below my chin, as to most microphones are included in a headset of this type. And of course, if you're hearing this with clarity, that means that this is a good microphone. And then now we'll go back to the rest of the review. Alright, there you have it. As you might have heard, the microphone recording is very clear, and I have it positioned right here, just right above the collar area of your shirt and right below your chin. So even if you duck down, you can still get a very good pickup with the microphone. Also, the earpieces are very comfortable. There was no fatigue at all, even through long listenings, not just in terms of physical comfort with your ear fit, since there are 7 different kind of earpieces that you can't put in, but the sound quality as well. A very good sound stage, very well defined, with a very good definition, even in the lower register. I was surprised of the quality of the bass, especially for an earpiece of this price range at $49.99. That is a very good deal considering the reference Apple in-ear is about $89.95. The one that has a microphone and a built-in remote as well. And that one only has one earpiece that keeps on coming off, and there are no replacement ones included with the package. So if you compare the $49.99 RHA MA450i, you're definitely getting a much better deal, especially with the construction alone. This one is constructed from aircraft grade aluminum, and it has braided cabling, so it is much easier to manage and much more durable, and will last you a long time, especially for somebody like me who lives in Canada, where the winters are quite harsh. And not just for my skin, also for the plastic and rubber cables that are found in earphones that of course get tangled in your pocket and can get brittle and harden, and even much harder to untangle once the temperatures drop below below zero. So that's pretty much it. The MA450i deserves the High Tech Legion Editor's Choice Award. Once again, RHA has done a very good job with the updated, of course, their latest in-ear earphone, and also we are looking forward to what else they can come up to. Very good. We have seen the CA200 and the MA350 before in our previous reviews, and those also were very, very good earphones. So check it out. You can buy even buy this one now, and not just on Amazon, but you can buy it through Apple Store. It's the same price, $49.95. Wherever you're located, and also it is available in a white version. So if you want it to match your iPhone, you have a white iPhone, iPad, or an iPod Touch, then you can get the white version of the RHA MA450i. And this is Ron from High Tech Legion, just signing out. And if you like this review, just click on the like button down there, and also subscribe for daily updates. You can leave questions or comments, and visit us on Facebook, facebook.com/High Tech Legion or HTL Reviews, and also tweet at us at twitter.com/High Tech Legion, and join our forums to join the discussions and participate in giveaways. Now, anyway, once again, this is Ron from High Tech Legion, signing out.